You don't need a lot of money, many followers, or a big title to be influential. Honestly, all you need are a few habits that help people trust you quickly. You've probably noticed someone who walks into a room with no big status or flashy introduction, yet everyone starts paying attention. It's not because they're loud or wealthy, it's because there's something dependable about them. You feel like you'd follow them. And here's the best part, you can learn this. I've got 5 simple tips that don't require money or status. You can start using them today. Tip 1. Be the person who actually follows through on what they say. Most people talk a lot, but few deliver, even on small things. If you want influence, build a reputation for being reliable in the little moments. If you promise to send a message, send it. If you say you'll be there by 6, be there by 5:58. It sounds simple, maybe even boring, but it's rare. And when you're rare, people respect you. Think of Jake at work. No genius, but he always finishes what he starts. When Jake speaks, people listen. Influence is built on trust, day after day. So start with one promise today and keep it. Tip 2. Ask better questions. You don't need to be the loudest or the smartest. You just need to think clearly. And that starts with asking good questions. Instead of adding noise, try asking, what's the real goal? Or what does success look like by Friday? Or what's the biggest risk we're missing? People respect the one who simplifies things. This isn't only for work. At a party, don't try to impress, just ask, what are you excited about? And watch people warm up to you. Curiosity helps build influence without ego. Tip 3. Speak last, but speak clearly. If you talk first, you're guessing. If you listen first, you're prepared. Let others speak, listen for what matters, and then say one clear sentence that moves the conversation forward. It's not a speech, it's a single sharp line. Imagine this, everyone's arguing in a meeting for 10 minutes, and then you say, the real issue is the timeline, not the quality. That's it. Suddenly, you're leading the conversation. Influence isn't about being loud, it's about being precise. Try this. Pause for 2 seconds before answering anything important. Tip 4. Give people a win. If you want people to respect you quickly, make them feel capable when they're around you. Give real credit to others. Say, that was a smart idea, Olivia. Or send a quick message, hey, your work today really made a difference. Introduce someone to an opportunity. Small acts build big loyalty. Most people are too busy competing to be supportive. So the one who supports others, that's the one who gains power. And no, this isn't fake networking. This is true leadership. If you want to move up, don't just chase attention. Help others succeed. Build solid relationships. Tip 5. Control your emotional reactions. This is really important. People don't follow the most talented person. They follow the most steady one. If you complain every day, you lose influence every day. If you panic, others panic. If you gossip, no one trusts you. It doesn't mean you have to be a robot. Be mindful. When you're stressed, say, give me a moment to think. When you're behind, say, here's what I can do by tomorrow. That calm attitude makes people feel safe, and safety builds influence. If you struggle with procrastination or self-doubt, start here. Watch your tone before trying to fix everything else. Quick review. Number 1, follow through on small promises. Number 2, ask better questions. Number 3, speak last but be clear. Number 4, give people a win. And number 5, control your emotional reactions. Try just one of these tips today. Pick it, use it for the next 24 hours. Start small but keep going. That's how influence grows. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who feels overlooked. And remember, Tricky MindSense provides real mental tools, not just hype. We're here to help you succeed in the real world.